What's up, YouTube? It's the Gary Channel. I'm back with another video. And by the title, you already know that we're about to finish decorating my car. So I got the seats covers already on there. I'm about to put this on the back sheets. And I got my LED lights. I'm going to open them right now. I got them July 31st. They were supposed to come July 30th. It never came July 30th, so it came next to me. And that's why I need the hot glue gun. I got my brother with me. He about to help me set it up. Look. Oh shoot. I'm gonna put, we're gonna hot glue gun it though.
Hot glue gun it.
I'm gonna hot glue gun it. Plugging this right there. Usually I was gonna get the battery one, but the battery one, I seen the reviews on there, so I didn't get it. And I ordered this off of Walmart, and I got free shipping with it.
Banana carrot. Actually, there's 5.
It's 5?
No, it's 4. 1, 2. It's 4.
So we just gotta connect them. Where's the remote? This is the remote, y'all. I'm showing y'all the remote. This is all the colors that come with it. All I know, my late car drive gonna be lit.
Damn, Walmart cheap as hell.
What?
They couldn't even give the thing like cigarette here.
Once I said I have to hot glue gun it.
Go for the glue gun.
So right now, he's hot gluing it on there. Okay, so I got red.
Whatever, any color.
I got red. Whatever color this is, turquoise. I can't even see it for real, but I got red, purple.
Actually, I think that's lavender. I always get them mixed
lavender?
up.
Yeah.
One of them's lavender.
Yeah, this one is lavender. And then red. This junk would never be on green unless I'm possessed.
And it got multicolored.
Yeah. While my brother is gluing that down, I'm about to start putting these Jamaican flags on the back. I was gonna use this. I'm just gonna get more. I was gonna use this for
Oh, you owe me a flag, ma'am. Don't forget that.
What flag?
You owe me a flag.
The big flag?
Yeah.
The one that you said not to buy?
You gotta buy me.
Anyways.
Buy me that flag.
Anyways. I'm gonna go get more of these because I was gonna use these for an outfit. But I want this in my car now. So hop in the back. If you're watching this video and you like my brother,
Damn, don't do it. It's
I'm not
a
gonna
bad
put him
idea.
out. I'm not even gonna put him out like that, y'all. But
Damn, she even started calling at that angle.
he's a mess, y'all. He's a mess, I can tell you that. Oh, pass me a tripod.
Y'all don't do it.
Jamaica, land we love. No, this is what it's looking like. God, don't talk about my carpets because don't. We just got them clean. I don't understand how they got them there. Y'all can't wait to show y'all when it's dark, like 8 o'clock type dark. So we already lit. I'm gonna show you. Hold on. I gotta finish my banana. I missed. I'm gonna show y'all. Who you know got LED lights in a car and their brother is putting it up for them? I'm not even gonna wait because it's lit. Like the outside, it may not look so pretty, but it's not about the outside, it's about the inside. What's in the inside is what matters. What's in the inside, that's all that matters. You're not supposed to judge a book by its cover. Come inside and let me show you. Let me show you how good we is inside. How cute we are inside. Look how cute my Jamaican flags are. They're just. You hear the neighbor trying to play Jamaican music? That nigga not even Jamaican. Stop it. Stop it, because you're not impressing us. We don't. Darn me, bro. Y'all see me in the same freaking thing? Don't worry about it. You feel me? How am I supposed to put this on? Okay.
That's not how you're gonna put it on.
How are you supposed to put it on?
You need a screwdriver.
To put this on?
You're gonna output it on. You can't just put it on like that.
Do you like it?
That's cute.
Say hi to the vlog.
Hi, vlog. So what color are you changing it to?
What color am I changing it? No, you can change it to like red. You can change it to white. You can change it to purple, pinkish. We lit! Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Comment down more ideas below. And thanks to my little brother, he made this happen. Tell me your Instagram name.
Or I'm not gonna use Instagram. What you mean? I'm getting off.
You gonna use your number?
Huh?
You tell him you gonna use your number only.
Exactly, my number. See if you want me, ask you my number.
That's right. Bye, y'all.